If you directly convert from halogens to LED bulbs in your SAAB 93 new generation, you will have error codes like this, and also the lights will flicker while they are not in use. And to solve this problem here, I used the solution from Speedparts, and they can supply this loaning pecan adapter thing. When we run it with their program from Speedparts, then we also download the driver for this pecan, and then we find the driver within the Speedparts software to start everything up, and then we need to find the file and that is for your car, and this is like supplied when you purchase this solution. So each of these files are unique to your car with a different VIN number attached to it, so it will only work on my car. And then when we have done all of this, we can just start the process, and it takes like 1 minute. You cycle through it and it tells you each step what you should do, and it's very simple. So we need this kind of device to interact with the car. Then we have the software from Speedparts that you can download. Then we need the driver for the hardware that is connected to the car, for the software from Speedparts to be able to communicate with your car. And then we have the individual file from Speedparts that you get with your purchase, which is how you want your car to be modified. And then you like insert that file into the program, and it figures out everything after that. And you can now run LED bulbs depending on how you have configured it. So what's nice now is that we can use LED bulbs in any bulb in the car without getting error messages, and also they won't have that flickering. So I have converted my high beams, low beam, the parking light, and also the fog lights. All of them are now LED. Before I was only using the low beam on LED, and then the high beam was connected over a relay. So I got like a error message in the car saying the high beam was out, and then just halogens in the fog lamps, because I didn't want to bother trying to fix it up and then having all of those error messages and such. So yeah, I'm really happy with this now. On other cars it will just fix it itself with canvas like error. And then in the back here I have mounted very bright LED reverse lights that won't like flash every second while we're driving. And also of course the license plate lights are now LED. So as you can see, starting the car, no error messages, nothing to clear here. Everything is working normally when it comes to lights, even though all of them are converted to LED, which is nice. So I can definitely recommend this. You can get it from Speedparts or Maptun. So both Maptun and Speedparts offers this service, and both of them have like this hardware that they send out that you can lend for a period and then get your money back when you deliver it back. But that is only available, I guess, for certain markets, I guess only Sweden. So I'm not sure how you would do it in your place, but if you go with the Speedparts solution, the kind of hardware that they are using is more of universal, so you can actually buy that for yourself from China, and then you just use their software. Or if you already have like programmed your car with the map tuner, I guess that is the best solution, to use that. Yeah, definitely worth it getting it programmed out if you want to switch to LEDs for a more modern look and also maybe better performance. And as we can see, turning off these lights now, no flickering at all.